We got packs in the truck. Got you more problems, we tell you what's up. Taking your nigga and don't give a fuck. Go to the crib and get head, we don't fuck.
Hey, get head, take off. Ooh, play with a head jigsaw. Fucking a bitch, take it off. Can't slip on the condo, can't fuck on the raw.
Hey, plug on the phone, can't talk.
What is up, V Squad? It's your girl, Baby V, and I'm back with another mukbang. Now today, y'all, I am doing a Popeyes chicken sandwich mukbang. I got two chicken sandwiches. I got the spicy and I got the classic. Yeah, spicy, classic. And so, yeah, we're finna do that today. I'm not gonna lie to you, I already tried this chicken sandwich when it first came out, but I didn't try the classic one. I tried the spicy one only. Hold on, let me fix this. So I'm gonna eat these chicken sandwiches and basically just, I don't know, talk to my boyfriend, homeboy Cal, because he here right now, and just finna chop it up. Basically, which one I wanna try first? I think I wanna try the, I'm gonna try the classic one first. And then we're just gonna go like that. So be sure you give this video a thumbs up right now. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Be sure you follow me on Instagram at 2_BYBEE 2_. I'm gonna have it right there or right there. Okay? So yeah, let's go ahead and get into a little bite. Alright, so yeah, I got some sweet heat sauce that I'm gonna eat with it. I'm gonna eat it with some sweet heat sauce. I know y'all probably like, why is you eating on the bed? Well, I'm eating on the bed because I want to. We're in a new house or whatever, so we ain't got no table or nothing like this. I'm gonna eat on the bed, but it's a table that my camera's sitting on, right? So yeah. All right, I got the sweet heat sauce. I'm finna dip it in here. Okay. Take a bite. Let me tell y'all about the upcoming stuff I have coming up. So, I do have interview coming up with Action Pack AP and D Moolah. I'm trying to get Chopper in there. I just gotta catch him when he's not as busy for y'all. Cause I wanna get him in there so y'all can, you know, get an interview from him. Cause today marks a year when I did the interview with Youngboy. A lot of y'all may have seen that. But yeah, today marks their year, and so I feel motivated enough to get another one done. So good. The classic one is good. I had the spicy one the first time. It wasn't really that good. This one's good. Yummy in my stomach. I know y'all probably wondering, like, where is my boyfriend? He is at work right now, making his money. And I'm doing this right now, making my money. Me and him have two different lifestyles. But at first, we had the same lifestyle. We was the same people. Let me tell y'all about it. Let me just give you a story time. So I met my boyfriend that I have now. We are high school sweethearts, you know. We met back in 2015, October 2015 to be exact. And ever since then, we've really been detachable. Undetachable. But see, when I went to college, that's when we broke up. But we broke up over something so stupid. And over the time we tried to get back together, it just wasn't the right times to get back together. Only because I was out of the city and he was still here in the city, so we weren't together. So of course, we went and messed with other people, talked to other people. Like, who wouldn't? And that's what we did. But once I moved back here, then everything got situated. We found our way back to each other. So yeah, we're back together and happy as ever. So that's why I say we've been together for so long. Because, you know, our love for each other never ended. So why should the years of us loving each other stop? It just was put on pause. We were put on pause for a long minute. So yeah, but we're back together now, and that's the only nigga y'all gonna see me with from this day forward. I mean, from the day y'all see him with me forward, because I'm not gonna get with nobody else. You know, the only person I wanna be with. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yes, I was with these other people that y'all see me with, that y'all like to see me with, but I wasn't really just happy like I am with him. So just had to make that clear on this video. This chicken sandwich is good. This chicken sandwich is good. It smells good, boy. You don't gotta be quiet, you can talk. Yeah, the classic one.
Way better than that spice.
Yes. But it's hot with the sweet heat, but it's good though.
I should have got some sweet heat. I wasn't even thinking.
A lot of y'all wanted me to do a seafood mukbang. I'm gonna do the seafood one next, but I'm gonna do the seafood one next. I'm gonna learn how to make B-Love sauce, and I'm gonna make some of that, and then that's when I'm gonna do that one. But I can't do it right now because I want it to be exclusive. All right, we're done with the classic one. Let's move on to the freaking spicy one. Woo! My mouth hot. I go to the spicy one. It got a sauce on here. A little spicy sauce on there. You see? So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and dig down into this one. Chicken sandwiches ain't as crunchy as they was the first time I tried them. Them was crunchy. I don't know where to bite it. I'm gonna bite it right here. I need a microphone. If I could just eat on my channel, just eat.
All day.
What? Boy, I'll be satisfied. That's easy. But I gotta do extra stuff for y'all. Y'all like extra stuff. I'm gonna make a song soon for y'all. Y'all wanna hear the beat? I'm gonna let y'all hear the beat. Y'all can hear a beat. I'm gonna let y'all hear it. Cal finna help me with my song. Whenever I get time. I'm gonna start it over. I ain't gonna tell y'all what beat it is. I'm just gonna play it. I'm finna freestyle.
talk so much shit on this.
I know. I'm dropping stuff. I'm full.
Them whole big. They ain't no little burgers, no little chicken sandwiches. They made to last. Okay.
You can go. Take her home. Hey, I'm full, bruh. These definitely get you full. Take you down through them. Look at my teeth. I miss my braces, y'all. I miss my braces. So good. It's good. I ain't gonna lie. It's good. But the first one I had gave me a different, like, the first chicken sandwich I had from Popeyes, I threw it out the window. I didn't like it. Like, I didn't see the hype in it. But now these ones, it might be better than Chick-fil-A. No, I'm pushing. I'm pushing. I just feel like I'm pushing it at that point. But they're pretty good. I'm full. I can't eat no more. I done ate a whole 1.5 for one. So yeah, it done took me down through there. I hope I gained some weight. Y'all, I'm little. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this mukbang. I hope you comment, spam the comments, let me know what other mukbangs y'all want to see. I know I'm doing a seafood one next. Be sure you give this video a thumbs up. Be sure you subscribe to my channel, and be sure you follow me. Follow me on Instagram. I'm not gonna lie, I'm losing followers. I don't know why, but I am. So I need y'all to go follow me back. Okay? Okay, give me the 70K on Instagram, 200K on YouTube. And without further ado, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Bitch, I'm dead shots. We told red glocks.